Hi, my name is Codu, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create stunning 3D animated story videos using 100% free AI tools like this. Whether you're a beginner or a storyteller looking to bring your ideas to life, this guide will take you step by step through the full process. Let's jump right in. Don't skip the video to check how this 3D animation turned out, which I show you at the end of this tutorial. Step 1. Go to ChatGPT. The prompt is in the description, and first comment, copy that prompt, paste it into ChatGPT's input box. You can customize the prompt according to your own story idea if you want, and hit enter. Wait a few seconds and here it is, a full story script divided into scenes. Each scene comes with its own image prompt and consistent character description, which is crucial for keeping your characters visually accurate across all images. Step 2. Generate character. Now let's generate the images for each scene. Go to Leonardo.ai. Click on Get Started and sign in or sign up. Once you're in the dashboard, click on Image, choose the Phoenix 1.0 model. Set the dimensions to 16 by 9. You get 150 free credits per day. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the image prompt for the first scene and paste it in the text box on Leonardo. Here's the trick to maintaining character consistency, right? After your character's name, e.g. in my case it's Codu, type 2 commas, then copy the character's description from ChatGPT and paste it between those commas. Now, hit generate, wait a few seconds and boom, the image is ready. You'll see that the character is consistent for the next scene. Copy its image prompt and paste it after the character description ends. Another important step for maintaining character consistency: click on the three dots under the image and copy the seed, then go to Advanced Settings, turn on Use Fixed Seed and paste the seed. Click Generate, wait a few seconds and boom, the image is ready. You'll see that the character is consistent, and repeat this process for every scene. Once you're done, download all your scene images. Step 3. Convert images. Now let's bring our images to life. Head over to Kling.ai, click Get Started, sign in and land on the dashboard. Click on Video. Choose Image to Video, set the duration to 10 seconds, upload your first scene's image, then go to ChatGPT and copy the same image prompt, paste it in the prompt box and click Generate. Wait for a minute and here it is, your first animated video scene is ready. Download it. Now, repeat this process for each image to create your entire animated video sequence. So that's it. Our video generation part is also completed. Step 4. Voiceover with 11 Labs or speech synthesis. Now it's time for voiceovers. You can use 11 Labs or an alternative like speech synthesis. In 11 Labs, go to Voices. Pick one from the library. Since I've already selected a voice, I will skip this step. Then click Text to Speech. Copy the scene, story text from ChatGPT and paste it here. Select the voice you picked from the library. Click Generate Speech and download the audio. Repeat this for every scene. Step 5. Final editing. Now let's bring everything together. Open CapCut. Import all the videos and audios you downloaded. First, let's see how our videos look that we generated. Perfect! I'll do just the basic editing here to keep the video short. Make sure to do proper and complete editing so that your video looks even more interesting. You can add transitions between scenes, adjust timing, and sync the voiceovers. Add background music if you want.
They hug.
Once done, click Export. And that's it. Your 3D animated story video with consistent characters, motion, and voice is now complete. All done using free AI tools. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and check out my other tutorials on this channel. Until next time, keep creating magic. And now enjoy the final story video.
Codu, an 8-year-old curious boy with a passion for exploring, decides to go on a nature walk with his best friend, his playful white puppy named Snowy.
Hey, Snowy, where you going?
With his blue sweatshirt and outing bag packed with essentials, he leaves home happily. Codu and Snowy enter the lush green forest. Birds chirp, butterflies flutter, and the sunlight filters through the trees. They follow a path with laughter and joy. While Codu stops to watch a squirrel, Snowy chases a butterfly deeper into the woods.
Hey,
When Codu
Snowy!
turns around, Snowy is gone. He calls out in panic,
Where are you
echoing
going?
through the trees. Kodu follows paw prints to a river.
Snowy?
He bravely wades through the shallow water, shoes soaked, determined to find Snowy. He uses a walking stick to balance himself. Kodu climbs a small rocky hill, breathing heavily but never stopping. He
Where
remembers
are
the
you,
time
dear
Snowy
Snowy?
cuddled next to him during storms and keeps going. At the top, he sees a red band stuck on a branch.
I hear you. Where are you, Snowy?
Kodu whistles Snowy's favorite tune. From the bushes, Snowy
Snowy?
jumps out and runs to him, wagging his tail. They hug,
Oh, Snowy,
both
I
covered in
finally
leaves
found
and mud,
you. Don't
but
ever scare
overjoyed.
me like that again. I missed you so much.
With Snowy in his arms, Kodu walks home. The forest now feels warm and welcoming. He's learned that love gives strength, and fear can be overcome with courage.